Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook, and we're hanging out on Maui with Todd Perkins, and he's going to make some crazy good food for us today.
We got a little Atlantic salmon that I will be pan-searing, and on top of that is really the special sauce. It's going to be a cilantro-lime coconut sauce, and along with the little Okinawan sweet potato, mashed potato.
Who doesn't love salmon? It's unbelievable. So great, let's get started and let's have some fun. So what do you do, Todd?
Normally, I'm actually behind the camera, not in front of it,
Really?
doing cooking shows. So I'm a videographer and have been for the last 35 years. That's pretty much the only job I've ever had. So I've been really fortunate to make a career out of my passion. My wife is a very accomplished artist herself in her own right, and over 20 years, I believe, self-sustained. And she runs a very successful gallery with a huge following, and she's doing great. We have every painting you see on our walls here is of my wife's. And so I found this Atlantic salmon works really wonderful, and I leave the skin side on one side. It's 2-ounce portions or so. Okay. I guess that's about 2 ounces.
Sure.
No,
You're eyeballing it, right?
Yeah, right. Got a little bit of kosher salt here on the top. Just throw this directly into that hot pan.
Medium-high heat, or?
Medium-high heat, yeah. Also going to add a little bit of white pepper here.
Oh, he does something similar with this pepper, see?
Fleshed side down. And it's going to sit here probably for about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. You just judge, you know, until you see that nice crisp. And we're going to just transfer this to the oven.
Right in the oven, just like that.
At 350, yep.
Not going to flip it, not going to move it, not going to touch it. And bam, right in the oven.
Right in the oven.
Okay. How long is that going to sit in there?
We're going to leave that for about 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. I took this out of the oven probably about 8 minutes ago, and it's been resting. Now I'm going to remove the skin.
All right. You're flipping these bad boys over.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice golden brown, nice crunchy. That looks delicious. Use the whole thing?
I'm going to put it all in there.
Just going to jam it in there.
Jam it in there. About half of this can of coconut milk into the cilantro here. So I'm going to just squeeze about three limes in here.
Good thing you got strong hands, man.
They're really a nice lime.
Yeah, that's a really
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. That's great. Tasty.
And grown in Maui, so they weren't sitting on some boat for, you know, 6 weeks to get here, you know. And I added a little bit of garlic in there, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of kosher salt, and some cayenne. I don't like it too spicy, just a little bit of temperature, so we'll start with that. Maybe a quarter teaspoon, maybe. Milk, but
no, that's great.
good flavor.
That's good.
Good.
I like that. Is that nice smooth flavor with the coconut? Nice smooth flavor with the coconut. The cilantro adds a nice bite to it, and then I'm now getting the cayenne.
And then after you peel the entire potato, you can go ahead and slice it and put it in cubes, and then just throw it in boiling water for about 20 minutes or so.
So are you going to strain them?
Yep, I'm going to strain them and then mash them with a little bit of, again, kosher salt and coconut milk, correct.
And that's a nice
tablespoon or so.
Alternative to using a big bucket of butter, you know?
True.
You know, even though coconut does have some fat in it, you're not, you know, overdoing it. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, nice.
So one thing I love about this dish is it's very colorful, and there's some great textures and of course flavors, and I think that just comes from my own appreciation for the arts. And if you can take something that's good and you enhance it with a beautiful presentation and turn it into great, then I think it enhances the overall experience.
I'm gonna dig in right here. Oh, that looks good. Banging. That's what that is. That's banging. That's good. Thanks for having us over here.
You're so welcome.
Oh, I mean, again, very simple dish. Few ingredients, right? Something quick you can get on the table for your family, super fast because you're busy, right? All of us are busy, but we want to feed our kids and our family healthy meals. This is it right here. This is so good. And you're right, this would impress your friends too.
All right.
No doubt.
Thank you
Thanks
so
Todd.
much. Thanks for having me.
us. Really appreciate it. So we're gonna put this recipe up on Dad's That Cook. Go check it out. All right? Cool.
Banging.
Banging.